I took a picture of the Eiffel Tower. I went to visit the Nile River. I went to a Great Wall of China. Stop right there. What's wrong with these expressions? Hi everybody, I'm Aliona at Cake English, and I'm here to answer your questions. Today's question is, how can I use a and the when talking about special places? Well, there are many rules about a and the, but today we will only talk about one rule that we use when we talk about special locations. When you're talking about a special or famous place, we usually say the before the place's name. On the other hand, we use a in front of the place's name if the place isn't that special, or if there are a lot of those places. Let's talk more about the first. We say the Eiffel Tower, the Nile River, the Great Wall of China, and the Amazon rainforest, because these are unique and famous places. We can't say, I went to a Eiffel Tower, because there aren't many Eiffel Towers. There's only one real Eiffel Tower. That's why we say the Eiffel Tower. So, when do we use a? We can use a in front of a place's name if that place isn't very special, or if there are many places like that one. We could say, I went to a tower. I went to a river. I went to a forest. And it means that you went somewhere, although we don't know 100% which exact tower, river, or forest you went to. We could say, I went to a museum in New York City. And that would mean I went to one museum in New York City, but I'm not telling you which exact museum I visited. If I wanted to talk about the exact museum that I visited, I would have used the in the place's name, like I went to the Met in New York. This rule is a little bit tricky, but let's try avoid confusion and learn to use a and the correctly when we talk about special places. Repeat after me for some speaking practice. It's my dream to visit the Eiffel Tower in France. It's my dream to visit the Eiffel Tower in France. The Great Wall of China is more than 2,300 years old. The Great Wall of China is more than 2,300 years old. I'm reading about the pyramids in Egypt. I'm reading about the pyramids in Egypt. I'm trying to find a delicious seafood restaurant. I'm trying to find a delicious seafood restaurant. Could you recommend a shop that will fix my computer? Could you recommend a shop that will fix my computer? I want to go to a beautiful park. I want to go to a beautiful park. So, can you see the difference between a and the when we're talking about famous and regular places? Let's try out a quiz. Last vacation, I went hiking through Rocky Mountain National Park. Last vacation, I went hiking through the Rocky Mountain National Park. I lost my sunglasses at restaurant, but I can't remember which one. I lost my sunglasses at a restaurant, but I can't remember which one. I plan to visit Burj Khalifa in Dubai. I plan to visit the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. Good job, everyone! So that's it for today. Remember to download the Cake app for free so you can find more videos just like this one. See you next time. Bye!